Hi guys, today I am going to be showing you how to tie a spring bow using the burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. So you're going to let out a tail about 8 inches and you're going to make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, make another loop about the same size as your first loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, you're going to go back to the other side, make another loop about the same size. Check to make sure that both loops are about the same size. So you're going to go back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side. This is a double bow and each loop measures about 5 inches. So if you were to stretch out my loop, it would measure 10 inches, and then when you fold it back, you have a 5-inch loop. When you have your bow the size you want, let out a tail, and you're going to want to take some floral stem wire and wrap the wire tightly around the center of your bow. And I am using 20 gauge floral stem wire. And then you're going to want to dovetail your ends. So you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to take the edges and you're going to fold your ribbon in half with the edges toward the left side. Then go to your fold and you're going to cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends of the ribbon. Now you are ready to fluff the loops on your bow, and this ribbon came from Dollar Tree in the Easter section, and it's a burlap ribbon and it's 2.5-inch width, and it does have wire, and so I probably have enough ribbon left to make another bow. So each bow basically cost 50 cents. When you're tying your bows, it's very important to try to make the loops the same size on each side, and also when you're adding that wire around the center, make sure you get the wire tight around the center of your bow. And that's it, guys. Now you have a beautiful bow. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful night.